2017 WRX. The Subaru WRX is built with performance in mind. Not only does it provide corner-hugging ability and power galore, but it also provides fantastic fuel efficiency. Plus, you get the dependability that we've come to expect from a Subaru and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, power steering, cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power brakes, trip odometer, trip computer, rear floor mats, daytime running lights. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood. So call or drop in for a test drive today.